Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the day we are unboxing Birmingham Deluxe Edition, aka the GOAT of board games. Number one on BoardGameGeek, now in this shiny Deluxe Edition. No big deal, casually chilling on my table. Let's look. Here is the board. Wow. Gritty. Here is the board. Gritty, industrial, and the deluxe from the color. Just popped out. And the most important piece. Ooh, have to open this. Beauty. Premium cards, metal coins with that satisfying clink. Yeah. These beautiful coins. As you can see them. This is not just a game, it's a table upgrade. You got your ironworks, breweries, cattle mills, everything you need to become the Jeff Bezos of 8030. Minus the rockets. And of course you get 2 ears, canal and rails. Because the GOAT doesn't stop at one industrial revolution. It's all about building networks, developing industries, timing your moves, and maybe outmaneuvering your friends while smiling politely. Beer's still a mechanic because even the GOAT knows in Birmingham nothing moves without a pint. That's Birmingham Deluxe Edition unboxing. Do your GOAT stories in the comments, please.